Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see the problem on Euler's modified method. So this is our question. Solve dy by dx equal to x plus 3y with x equal to 0, y equal to 0 by Euler's modified method for x equal to 0.1, taking h equal to 0.05. Also find the exact value, absolute error, relative error. So here we are given the linear differential equation. Here we are given the initial conditions. We have to solve this problem by using Euler's modified method to find the value of y at x equal to 0.1 and taking the interval as 0.05. So here we write the basic steps. So dy by dx will be our f of x comma y, which will be x plus 3y. Then we have the initial condition, there is x of 0 is 0 and y of 0 is 1. Then we have to find the value of y at x equal to 0.1. Our interval given is 0.05. Then our number of steps m will be x minus x0 upon h. X is 0.1, x0 is 0, h is 0.05. If we calculate this, we get m equal to 2. So the number of steps are 2. So let's take our first step. So this is our step 1. In step 1, we first calculate the basic things. So in step 1, at x0 equal to 0, we have y0 equal to 1. So these are the basic things. Then we calculate s of 0, which is nothing but f of x0 comma y0. What is f of x comma y? F of x comma y is x plus 3y. Then f of x0 comma y0 will be x0 plus 3 times y0. So if we substitute this value of x0 and y0 here, we will get s0 as 3. Then we calculate the value of x1 and y1. x1 is x0 plus h. x0 is 0. h is 0.05. So our x1 will be 0.05. y1 is y0 plus h times s0. This is the basic formula we should remember. So y0 is 1, h is 0.05, s0 is 3. When we substitute all this value, we will get y1 as 1.15. So these are the basic steps in step 1. Now we will draw the table. This is our table for step 1. Here we write the approximate value n. Then here we will have y1 of n. Then here it will be s of n. Here we will have f of x1 comma y1 n. So here we will have x1 plus 3 times y1 of n. Then y1 of n plus 1 is given by y0 plus h by 2 s0 plus sn. So these are the basic things which you should remember in Euler's modified method. So we don't know till what approximation we will go. So we will have the approximation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will perform this till we get this box equal to this box. We are going to perform till that point. So here we have n equal to 1. So this term will be y1 of 1. This term will be y1 of 2. This term will be y1 of 3. This term will be y1 of 4. So this term will be s1, s2, s3, s4. So it should be f of x1 comma y1 1, that is this y1. F of x1, remember here we have only x1, f of x1 comma y1 of 2. Here we have f of x1 comma y1 of 3, and here we have f of x1 comma y1 of 4. So these are the basic steps. So what is this y1? This y1 will be this value, that is 1.15. So we have the value of x1, which is 0.05. So we put this value of x1 here, that is 0.05 plus 3 into y1 of n. Here n is 1 in first row, n is 1, so that is this value. If we calculate this value turns out to be 3.5. Now we got our s1. Now we will calculate y1 of n plus 1. n is 1, so it is y1 of 2. So y0 is 1 plus h by 2, h is 0.05 upon 2. These three things will remain same in every step. Only this bracket is going to change. S0 is 3, plus Sn, n is 1, so here we have S1, so here it is 3.5. If you calculate this value, we get this value as 1.1625. We take this y1 of 2 here, so here we have 1.1625.